Good morning, America. How are ya? Monday morning rail, but it's not Monday. It is Friday, and we have a special edition of 154.5 of Good Morning America. Show and tell, and we're at the world famous Amherst Train Show in West Springfield, Massachusetts, at the Big E. And we're going to do our show and tell to show you a little bit what we have. We are here. This is the Jelsma Graphics booth here, and you can just see all the different railroad jackets that we offer here. And from the N&W Southern all the way, and it's only 10 degrees at this show, and that's why I'm wearing my jacket, because I'm cold. And this is our booth that we have. We've been in the same spot now for the past 25 years. West Springfield, Massachusetts, the Big E, the biggest train show in America. All of our hats. We probably have a couple hundred jackets here. We have about 500 hats, probably about 400 shirts. And we also have hand towels with your favorite logo on it. We have towel sets. And we have the stocking caps. All the different logos. We have over 1,500 railroad logos. A lot of different jackets. All of this is at Springfield, Massachusetts, or West Springfield. It's the Big E, and we want you to come out and visit us, see us, and we want all the railroad people around the United States to one time make a trip to West Springfield, Massachusetts, the last weekend in January every year. Make it a part of your bucket list. And so from the frozen north, I want to say thank you, and come and visit us, and you'll get a free What's Neat this week Ken Patterson hat. If you're lucky, we still have a few left, so stop by and say hi. And that's the way it is at the world famous Amherst Train Show in West Springfield, Massachusetts.